Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally tackling Noah's room because honestly, I'm sick of it. Today's a day when we're finally tackling this room because I am sick of it. I'm sick of seeing how messy it is. I'm so embarrassed. I'm being honest with you guys, okay? We're just gonna take out everything. I feel like once I take out everything, I can actually brainstorm and think about where I can actually fit things. At least that's how it works for me in order for me to decide. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I actually shared on my stories 3 paint swatches that I was actually considering. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. I do post a little bit more behind the scenes over there, and you guys can actually help me choose paint. You guys, I'm scared to move this tower. He's going to be mad if I do destroy it. I would feel so bad too. Funny thing is, he actually put it on a truck that moves itself, and I can carry up to like 40 pounds, which is pretty cool. But now I have to move it carefully. This kid is freaking smart. With Noah's room being so small, I ended up decluttering the entire room because we had a lot of old toys I didn't play with, clothes, baby stuff. I really got rid of it because it was just not necessary, and especially in a small space, it was overcrowded. I also ended up moving a bookshelf unit into his closet so that I can store away everything and it wouldn't be out in the open. I feel like that just feels more clean and, in my mind, peaceful. So with Noah's room being very small, I figured I would do a statement wall just because I want a big impact but with so little happening, and because also I like the minimal style, so I figured I would carry on the picture molding into this room as well. I already have it in my entryway, and I figured that that would look really nice in here also. Color paint really intimidates me because of the hues and undertones that it has, which is why I bought 3 samples just so that I can make sure that I absolutely loved it. I ended up painting every single wall in his room just because the light plays a huge factor in the color of the paint, which actually you will see in different walls that the paint does look a little bit different. But regardless, I ended up loving it and I'm happy with my choice. A special thanks to Bella Coterie for partnering with me on this video. They actually offered to send me their sheets. They are made out of 100% organically grown bamboo. They are silky smooth, cool to the touch, and have a beautiful drape and soft sheen. And you guys, I must admit that I really do love these sheets. I actually have them in my own bed, and now Noah has his own, which honestly he was so excited about because he said that they're so soft. I honestly do love them, and they wash very well also, which is actually a big thing for me. They also provided a discount code for you guys. If you apply EBETH10 at checkout, you will receive 10% off. So I will go ahead and leave that down in the description box for you guys to check out. And let's continue with the video. That is all for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think about it. I honestly love it. I am so happy with the way that it turned out. The color is perfect. I feel like it's the perfect combo of a little boy but not a big kid yet. And I'm just very, very happy about it. Noah loves it too. I just wanted to keep it very minimal because it's so small in here. It just ended up working perfectly. I'm so happy. I will link everything that I used for this room down in the description box for you guys. And also don't forget to check out Bella Coterie and use my code EBETH10 at checkout. As always, I appreciate you guys and thank you so much for watching. Bye.